Your words matter. Hello, chickens. This is Miss Rogers. We're in the middle of something really unusual. We always want to stay clean and safe, but for a while, we're going to have to stay inside too. A lot. It won't be forever, but it is how things are going to be for a while. So, the first thing you need to do is stay safe. That means listen to your grown-ups especially well. Wash your hands really well. Sneeze and cough into the inside of your elbow every time. The second thing is a little different. You know, one day you'll be the grown-ups in charge of everything. You'll be the scientists, doctors, social workers, artists, engineers, farmers, teachers, everything, who will make the world a better place. That is your job. And thank you in advance for all that you will do. In the meantime, you know those powerful brains of yours? You need to use them while we're doing school from home. Use your brains to grow as creative thinkers, as readers and mathematicians and scientists and writers. We're counting on you. Right now, I have a job for you. It's a grown-up kind of job, but I know you could do it. You are not babies, after all. This is it. It's called journaling. You need to document your experience during this time. That means writing and drawing and even taking pictures if you want to. Future historians are depending on you. They will want to know what this time was like, and they'll need your writing and drawing to explain what life was like. Why? Think about it. When we look at books about times long ago, we see pictures and read the words of people who lived them. Remember looking at pictures of Martin Luther King Jr. and reading his words? That helped us understand what things were like during his lifetime. That's what we need to do now for future people. What? During the time we are away from the classroom, this is what you need to do. Write a daily journal entry in your composition notebook. Write it at the end of the day so you can think about how that day went. Some ideas. Write about what's going on in your life. Write about how you feel. Write any questions or concerns you have. Draw your world and your emotions. Photograph what you see out your window or how you look at home. Miss Symie and I really want to see and hear about your experiences of the next few weeks. Your stories matter. Happy journaling, Miss Rogers. P.S. Here is a link to a cool book. Check it out. It's on Mayan. Talk to you soon.